What is the difference between data lake object and data model object in Salesforce Data Cloud? So first of all, the purpose is like to store raw data in its original ingested format, like for preservation. So data lake object can be treated as a container kind of stuff, and from different sources like data is coming, and whenever we are just creating a data stream, automatically that data lake object will be created, and we can treat is a container of raw data, so unstructured raw data. Whereas the data model object is the like structured business ready view of the data that is used basically for the usages like business process. In live business process we can just use like a data model. So structure, so reflects the original source data structure, highly flexible in case of data lake object, whereas in data model object mapped to the Salesforce metadata structure, creating a stable consumption contract relationship to data, the raw underlying data layer. And whereas the data model sits on the top of DLOs and can combine data from multiple DLOs. So data model can be constructed with the help of combining multiple data lake objects as well. And data flow source, like directly ingested from an external source system, like it can be a database, it can be say another Salesforce CRM, or it can be Amazon S3, Snowflake kind of stuff. And whereas the data model object created by mapping and transforming data from one or more DLOs. Use cases is like rapid access to raw information, remapping exercises, whereas a data model object for is for creating segmentation, personalizations, and performing analytics or reporting. And last one is the analogy. The raw ingredients is your in your pantry is like a data lake object, and whereas the prepared meal, organized and ready to serve food is for data model object. So these are the key differences for the data lake object versus data model object in Salesforce Data Cloud.